We're giving some of this Triumph Tiger 900's components an application of our sprayed-on protective film. We start by removing the mudguard, windshield, mounts, side panels, then the bike's tank. Majority of the items will receive a clear matte finish, whilst our colour change option provides a custom, more personalised look. The windshield receives a translucent gloss coating. Once the application is completed, the components are thoroughly cleaned and laid out in preparation for the rebuild. In no time at all, the bike is back together again and looking brilliant. But do you know what's really great? You can now go and get it dirty. Ngenco, protecting motorcycles throughout the world.